The sculpture Pieta de David, the painted ceiling of the Sistine Chapel. These accomplished artworks were made for I and Michelangelo. I am very passionate about sculpting. My sculptures, such as the David, caught many eyes of admirers, and powerful ones too. I made many artworks that I never imagined to do, especially for Pope Julius II. He had me heartbroken into fresco painting the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel. I also took over a job as an architect. Everyone loves my art, but I prefer sculptures. For your support and admiration, I thank you for stating me as a magnificent artist.